Okay, so it was a little bit of a fight to get this out of the door. So you have this one here that goes for the exterior handle, this one here for the door pin, and this one here for the interior handle. Now, for some reason, this is not going up all the way. So I gotta figure out what the issue is. Either it's just lacking lubrication, or if there's a cylinder inside that's defective, I'm not sure. Anyways, and you had two plugs, so for one for the window mechanism and the other for the locking mechanism. All right.